Next up, this is for the ISKA World Kickboxing title. To compete for this title, making the way to the blue corner.
Next up we have Scott Brewer facing off against Abdelilah for the ISKA World title. 5 rounds of 2-minute action. This one's going to be a banger, folks.
And to face this warrior, making his way to the red corner, give it up for Scott Brewer!
This one's going to be a banger, folks. Both men are eager and ready to go. Neither of them are going to leave it on the line tonight for the ISKA World title. One fighter coming from Spain and the other is a home fighter coming from England. Scott Brewer having his own kickboxing academy, home to numerous good fighters. Scott obviously being the best pick of the bunch. But we're about to see how this one's going to unfold. This one's going to be a good one, folks.
Once again reintroducing. This is for the ISKA World Kickboxing title. In the red corner, representing Team Antonio Camboy from Spain. He is a 3-time Catalonian champion. Please make some noise for Abdelilah Attaoui.
Both fighters with a lot of experience. The main event, rightly so. This one's going to be a banger. I'm excited to see this one. I'm not too sure how it's going to play out, but we're about to find out.
Yeah, you are locked into the JackHammer main event tonight. 5 2-minute rounds of kickboxing to determine the new ISKA World Champion, or current. Scott Brewer from SBKB and Abdelilah Attaoui from Spain. 2 very experienced, well-rounded fighters. Whose moment is it? Who's going to grab this fight by the scruff of the neck? I hope you've enjoyed your time watching tonight, and if you'd like to see more action like this, download the Leapfrog Fight TV app for $9.99 a month. You can get all the action on a weekly basis across 25 countries around the world, all from the comfort of your phone.
Southpaw versus orthodox, power versus power. Good left hand there for Scott. Oh, heavy
nice
body
kick there.
kick there for Scott.
Attaoui returning with one himself. Swing and a miss there. Big shots there. Both fighters swinging and a miss with the kicks there. And Brewer coming back though. Brewer doing a good job holding the centre of the ring.
It's getting heated in the JackHammer UK ring.
You heard Gurja is getting heated in the ring. Our main event is live now. Scott Brewer toe-to-toe with Abdelilah Attaoui. Nice.
Good left hook there from Abdelilah.
Really technical approach from both fighters, starting things off. I imagine they're still sizing each other up a little.
Good first round there.
Yeah, positive from both fighters. So this fight, as the fight goes on.
And this is for the ISKA World Kickboxing title.
You know the track is blending. Too much mixing of busy. You know the pack is blending.
Hands are spending.
You live a beat that mash off one hand after the boot.
Hands all trembling.
Too much smoke they're wearing. Let go no hammers, that's so backwards, man, it's scary.
This is JackHammer UK. It's getting feisty today. This is Scott Brewer versus Abdelilah Attaoui for the ISKA World Kickboxing title. Round number 2.
Round number 2 of a highly anticipated bout. Nice side kick there from Scott Brewer.
Yeah, both fighters looking sharp early doors. I'm sure they've been watching the carnage that's taken place over the night. No, now it's their time.
Oh, nice little sweep there from Scott. Oh, lovely bit of work there from Scott.
Yeah, good front kick to the body. Nice shot there from Attaoui.
Good cross there from Scott.
Brewer really
Nice
working him in the
inside
corner.
If you want your fight,
Oh, nice shot there from Attaoui. The referee just saying no knees. No knees, buddy.
JackHammer UK. This is for the ISKA World title.
Good shot from Brewer. Follows it up there with a kick. Oh! Big wobbler.
Count in the second round.
Yeah, nice left hook there from Attaoui.
Caught him as he was coming in. Scott really needs to put it on him now.
Definitely a confidence booster for Attaoui fighting in an away crowd.
Oh, good left hook from Scott.
Yeah, nice. Both fighters exchanging big shots from both. Nice there, Brewer catching a left on the way in.
End of round number 2. How do you think that went? How do you think? Don't do that, don't do that.
A brilliant fight so far. Scott getting the count in round 2.
Round number 3.
Recuérdalo fácil, hazme caso. Mi boxeo y mis manos. Eso es. Mi boxeo boxeo y mis manos. A ver, tranquilo, le haremos daño, eso es, le haremos daño, hazme caso. Nada, cerradito. Tranquilo, Abdel, eso es. Ahí, eso es, así de atrás no llega. Eso, lo tocas, Abdel, le haces daño. Eso es. Tranquilo, tranquilo, hazme caso, sube la mano. Le haces daño con las manos, entonces vamos a hacer eso. Cuando estáis, cuando estamos ahí, eso.
Nice pivot off there from Scott. Nice left hand as well. Straight down the pipe. Spin and a miss there. Abdelilah capitalising on that. He's a heavy hitter, isn't he? The fighter from Spain. He's not come here to mess about.
No. One thing I noticed about Attaoui as well, he doesn't just hit and stay and stop. He follows it up with a combination every time.
Every time, he doesn't let Scott reset. Oh, heavy boxing work there from Attaoui.
Missing there with a spin kick from Brewer. Working the body though. Attaoui comes out of that with an uppercut. Big right hand landing too. Can't find his way out the corner just yet.
Oh,
nice spin kick, this time he does land.
There from Scott.
He's been looking for that.
He's bringing it back now.
Nice. Stiff
Very
cross
good
to the body
matchup,
there.
this.
Yeah, definitely. You don't make it to a world title fight without having the ability.
Oh,
big shot. Big shot.
And that was the end of
Tasty
round
finish there to the round. Smiles from Attaoui. Both coaches getting into the corner now. See what adjustments they can make heading into the next round.
I like it like that.
Diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Chump signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like slots. I like going to the jeweler. I put rocks all in my watch. I like flex.
I've got one swing. I've got one swing. I've got one swing. Only one swing. I've only got one. I've only got one swing. I've only got one swing. I've only got one swing. Yo, who was the swing? Tell me. Yo, who was the swing? How much did you want it? How much do you want it? Yo, it's good. Yo, it's good.
And we are back underway.
Round number 4.
4 rounds in, Attaoui there coming out with aggression. He wants to take the belt back to Spain. That shot there from Brewer saying you're not taking it that easy.
That was a nice shot there, though, from Brewer. Accidental knee that was, to be fair, but the lead did land.
Nice exchange there, both fighters getting a few shots in. Brewer doing a good job holding the centre. Pushing Attaoui into the corner. Spinning kick thrown this time from Attaoui.
This is round number 4 for the ISKA World Title. Brewer versus Abdelilah. Attaoui.
Oh! Nice spin
That
kick from
landed
Brewer.
top. Attaoui said it didn't hurt, but we all know what that means when they say that. It did
Exactly.
hurt.
It's a bluff. Or is it? He's not fighting like a hurt man for sure.
No, definitely not. Oh, nice left hand there. Straight down the centre.
And that's time after round number 4. The next round.
What's your thoughts so far then, Mitchell?
Very even fight. I've said that a lot tonight, but it's only because JackHammer give you the best 50-50 matchups. Another excellent fight.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. I think the count on Brewer might be the decisive factor unless he can change that in this next round.
JackHammer UK, JackHammer UK, they got something to say. Oh, and not even play. Oh, JackHammer UK.
What a night it's been so far, what an event. JackHammer UK always brings the action.
Fifth and final round.
Who is taking home the ISKA world title?
Scott Brewer landing a nice jab there.
Oh, very much to play for.
Oh, good left up there.
Nice shots there from Brewer.
Nice bit of boxing work on the inside.
Yeah. Showing his experience. Nice shots there from Attaoui. Big shots landing from Attaoui, although he's trapped in the corner. Sweep attempt there, to no avail.
What a fight this has been.
Will we
What
see a
card
finish
as
in
well.
these closing moments?
Good body kick there.
Brewer doing a good job working in the corner. Another sweep attempt. Referee splits it up. We'll have less of that, he says. Oh, nice head kick there from Attaoui. Oh, nice liver shot. It did, he's got...
Oh,
Attaoui really taking it to him now. Brewer clearly hurt. Still hanging in there, but another one lands to the body too.
What a shot that was. Good left hand to the body.
In a fight with as fine lines as this, that could be a decisive factor.
Well,
Amazing performance.
Against him there,
Exactly.
So
a brilliant performance from Attaoui. You and me both. You and me both. All the way from Spain. Is he taking the world title home with him? That'll be down to the judges, but I'm pretty confident of his chances, I do have to say.
High reaction right there. Come on, come on, come on.
So up to the judges.
Both patiently awaiting the judge's decision.
Personally, I have Attaoui up due to the count and also winning the last round. So that's in 2. I think 1 and 2 could have gone to Scott. And the last one definitely going to Attaoui.
Yeah, I agree. I think it's Attaoui's belt. I think he did enough. I think the count's done him a huge favour. But that last round, those big shots to finish things off as well. I think that'll be the separating factor for him. A well-fought battle from both fighters as well. You don't get a world championship fight with anyone that's not good enough. Both of these fighters are excellent athletes. See what the judges have to say about it.
Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for these amazing warriors in the ring right now. This was for the ISKA World Kickboxing title. And the decision is in. The decision is a draw.
Oh! I can't argue with that.
No. I'm quite shocked, to be honest.
Make some noise for these warriors, please.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, what a card. He did indeed. He did. And,
Yeah. What a card, what a day, and what a night it's been
What a
here with
night.
JackHammer TV on Leapfrog Fight TV.
Yeah, so if you haven't already, make sure you download the app, Leapfrog Fight TV, for only $9.99 a month.
Stay up to date with all the latest combat sports action from over 25 countries worldwide. The crowd asking for one more round. And I'm sure we'd all happily see one more round.
Who do you give that to?
Ladies and gentlemen, that finished with the draw. But I'm going to have a chat with Scott. Scott, come over here, mate, please.
The fighters making their way into the middle.
Yeah, to the death.
Scott, come and join me a second, mate. So the fight finished with the draw. You put your world title on the line. You still retain your title because you are the champion. Not how you really want to retain it.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's
What I
me
want to
clocking
say from
out.
both of you
Thank you
fighters
for having me
is two
tonight.
world-class fighters
Thank you
going
for joining.
toe-to-toe that put on a fantastic display of full-contact kickboxing. So for that, both of you deserve massive respect and a round of applause. Would you agree, everybody? I'm sure we can run this one back, but tell us how you're feeling right now.
Yeah, I feel good. First round went how I wanted. Second round, he clipped me and knocked me down. In his second round, you know, did it catch me and wobble me? I don't think it really did. I just got caught off balance. I got up, and I kept discipline. Then to come back, like I say, I thought I won the first. I thought I won the third. I thought I won the fourth. And all but the last 5-10 seconds of his body shot in the corner, I felt I was all right in the fifth. So, as for people or his team thinking, do you know what, we won that, I got up off the canvas and I fucking gave it some. So, I ain't fucking, I'm not being told I lost that fight. I draw, but I'm still the champ. If he wants a rematch, we'll do a rematch. But, champions never give in, and I didn't give in. And I left it all in the ring. But much respect to my opponent. He's a very good fighter from a good team, and martial arts is all about respect. So I respect you, I respect your team. But again, I don't make the decisions. I thought I did enough. And yeah, thank you everyone. And thank you to my coaches, and my sister, also one of my coaches. And the bird that's shouting, that's my bird. Hey!
And we can all hear her, mate.